start from
Yeah, sure.
creating a thread. Creating a thread. Creating a thread. So there are some points here. There are some steps here which you have to remember in creating a
Okay.
thread. Point number one, it is first of all you have to write a class that is going to extend the thread class or implementing runnable interface. Already we had this kind of touch in the past.
Yes.
Somewhere in inner classes we did similar scenario is there. Same story.
Okay.
Write a class that should extend, that extends thread class. Thread is a predefined class. I told now in the first class.
Yes.
Predefined class, and it is present in lang package.
Okay.
And by default it is imported. Fine. You can extend thread class, or another option is there. Just like thread class, there is an interface also. You know what is class, what is interface, you know all these things.
Right. Yes.
You are in a position to distinguish one with the other one.
Yes.
Like thread class, there is an interface also called as or implements runnable interface. Interface name is runnable
Okay.
interface. Okay, you can have any of these options, but in interview they will
Okay.
ask you which works more efficiently. They will ask you.
Okay.
I will explain later on. Runnable works efficiently. Some particular
Okay.
scenario I will create for you, and I will let you understand that. Okay.
Sure.
Thread
Yes.
class that extends thread class. That extends thread class or implements runnable interface.
Interface.
That
Okay.
is point number one. That is point number one. And both of them are available in which package? Both
Lang
of them are
package.
available in lang package. Both of them are available in lang pack. That's it. Fine. And then point number two is we have to write a method by name void run, public void run. I discussed this in inner classes also, but I have not elaborated that. But now you are going to see all this scenario. In this class, I mean to say in thread class or runnable interface, you have to write public void run. It is a method. It is a method, and you have to define that. Okay.
Okay.
This is a method by default executed by a thread. It is by default
Okay.
executed. I can write like this: method executed by default. By default means you need not call run method separately by run. Okay, that option is not there.
Yeah.
Just by starting your program, if you call start, automatically run will happen. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have to call start method, then control transfers to run method, and run code gets executed. That's how things will happen. Now
Okay.
point number three, you know, you have created your own class, just create some object to that class. Okay, create an object.
Okay.
Create an object to this class. Fine. Next, fourth point, create a thread. First of all, inside your main method, somewhere inside your main method, you have to create a thread. How to create a thread? I will show you. Create a thread. Create a thread. Okay, and attach it to the object. I will show you all these points. Don't worry.
Sure.
By just seeing that step itself, you may not understand. But when I write program, you can compare with that point. Then you can understand that. Create a thread and attach it to the object. Some intricacy is there in that. I will show you through program.
Okay.
Attach it and attach it to the object. Okay, fine. Next point, last point. Run. How to run? By
Okay. Start
method. That is the last point. Run the thread using start. Run the thread. You created thread. You attach it with the object, isn't it?
Yes.
Then you start that. That's it.
Okay.
Run the thread using start. asking start method, by calling start method. Okay, fine. These are the steps. Now some interview questions I will explain here. First question number
Okay.
1. How can we stop a running thread? How to stop? How can we stop a running thread? A running thread. So I told you how to create a thread, how to attach that to an object, and then how to start and how it runs. Everything is okay, but everything will be having some endpoint, na? Somebody should end at
Yes.
some point. So what is that? Where is the end? Yes. So you can stop that by using a stop method, but this is a deprecated method. It is
Okay.
no more used. So when I learned Java, even when I learned Java, by that time itself, it is no more in use. I think somewhere
Okay.
in JDK 1.4 version it is used. I still remember, maybe 1.4 or
Okay.
1.3. I did not remember properly. 1.4 or 1.3. Once upon a time, we used stop method for stopping a thread. Okay, but nowadays it is a deprecated version. You should know this word. So
Okay.
as you are moving to software field, you should know these words: deprecated, most frequently used words in software field. Deprecated.
Okay.
Have you heard this word ever?
No.
Deprecated means it is no more in use. Means no more in use. Okay, no more in
Okay.
use. No more in uses. No more in use. That's it. So this
Okay.
stop is a deprecated version. No more in use currently. Now, then how to stop? Yes, some sequence of steps are there for that. Okay, so we have
Okay.
to write our own process to stop in the middle. Okay, we have to
Okay.
write our own process. So what is the latest procedure? Write our own process. Our own process to stop a thread. Anywhere in the middle also you can stop, just like a car
Okay.
moving on the road. Anywhere you can stop, just like that. That flexibility you are having here. So write
Okay.
our own process to stop a thread in the middle of execution. Anytime you can stop, otherwise it will be keeping on running now. That's why you can stop that. Another entry question: extends. Just now I told, just before I told, extends thread class or implements runnable interface.
Okay.
Implements runnable interface. Which is more advantageous? Okay.
Okay.
Which is more advantageous? Which is more advantageous? Okay. Advantageous. Which is more advantageous? That is the question. And why? Immediately they will ask you why also. They won't leave like that. They will ask you why also. So majority students cannot answer this. Up to some extent they can answer. I mean to say, majority students will answer, yeah, runnable is an advantageous one. They can speak. But how? Whenever they ask why, there is no answer from majority engineering students. I will show you
Okay.
through one example. Why in the sense I will show you. So see, for example, I am writing one small application, small snippet of the code I am writing. Class my thread. Fine. Extends thread. Okay, fine. Normal code. Extends thread. Okay, fine. Comma frame. Is this possible? Is this frame is also a class? It will come in advanced Java. It will come in advanced
Okay.
Java. Frame is a predefined class. You can see Notepad now, na? Notepad.
Yes.
So that is a frame. That is a frame. You can design
Okay.
that. You can design that. In advanced Java, we will see that. So
Sure.
frame is there. Notepad also you can design using menu class.
Mm.
In advanced Java, it will come. These buttons also will come. We will design this also. File, edit. Okay.
Okay.
Even operations
Sure.
also we will design. All these things you can design in advanced Java. So uh, my thread, it is your own class, and you are extending thread class, comma, what is there? Is this
Frame class.
is this allowed in Java? Tell me.
Extends.
Hmm.
No, implements, yes.
Yeah, that is the problem. That is the problem. Wrong. So whenever you come across with that kind of scenario where you are required to extend couple of classes, it fails because
Right.
multiple inheritance is not available in Java. If you can highlight this example, that's it. It's enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Many,
Yes.
many will not cross you. Frame, you are bringing frame also from advanced Java, means how much
Right.
experience you are having. See how much you have done, they can understand. Okay, they won't touch majority. I mean, beginners, they won't touch this frame and all these things. Freshers won't touch. But if you are touching this example, it looks fine. Great. Okay.
Okay.
So this is impossible. You know, it is clearly wrong
Yes.
because Java doesn't support multiple inheritance.
Inheritance.
You can achieve that through another way, that is interfaces. Now
Yes.
comes your interface handy. Now see, that is wrong, I am saying. But then what is the alternative for this? Yeah, my thread, your own class. Alternative for thread, there is one thing. Alternative for thread, what is that? Extends thread. Yes.
Okay.
Extends thread.
Implements.
Extends thread. Implements.
Frame.
Yes. Yes. No, sorry. Extends frame. Frame is the class, na?
Right.
Extends frame. Sorry. Extends frame. Implements. Yes.
Thread.
Implements runnable. I told you one point. Whatever is there in thread class, they are all present in runnable also.
Right.
If you are going with start method, it is there in thread class and also runnable. If you go with run method, it is also present in both the both thread class as well as runnable interface.
Okay.
Then
Hmm.
now it will work or not? See, I have gone with one
Yes.
class extension and the other one implementation.
Implementation.
So for alternative thread, for alternative, I mean thread alternative is there for you in the form of
Right.
interface. That's why you can properly utilize interface in place of thread.
Hmm.
That's why, which is more advantageous?
Implements.
If I go
Runnable
with this kind
interface.
of code, in the beginning, nobody, my boss did not tell me anything about frame. Okay, I'm not using frame in my application. I went like this, but unfortunately, after writing 1,000 lines of code inside thread class, I mean, my thread extends the thread. After writing 1,000 lines, my boss told that you have to use frame class features also. Then
It fails.
fails. So I cannot write like this. Java doesn't support that. Immediately I have to change the whole lot of code. That is why in the beginning itself, if I would have gone like this, I can add this later on, is it not? So whenever boss tells this, I can add this later on.
Right.
But always extension should come first, then comes implementation. Vice
Okay.
versa will not happen. I mean, first, this is wrong. I mean to say this is correct, this is correct, this is 100% correct, but if you write like this, that is wrong. I will show you. Wait, I will show you which is wrong. I will show you. Yes. First implements, if you write, it is wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Not
Yeah.
this you should not do. Extends. That is wrong. First extension, then implementation. This is wrong.
Okay.
This also you can explain in interview. Okay, you can pass some time also so that you can avoid some
Yeah.
unnecessary questions. Na?
Yes.
Yes. If you are strong in many areas, you can keep on going till they say enough.
Right.
Okay, that is good technique.
Hmm.
You can mesmerize them, na? Yeah,
Yes.
with your quality information.
Hmm.
And then we will run one application.
Sure.
let's first, already we have created anything, thread.
Yes, we had done, I think during inner class.
Any shortcut to check that thread here? Search is
Uh,
available. Can I type? No, I don't think so. If it goes again, it will be a problem for us. I never
right.
experimented on these things. Test switch, system, packages, inner class, inheritance functions. I will create, otherwise
Yeah.
I will create file. We have not done any single application on this, I think, till now. Java project. What is that? Threads. Threads. Okay. Yeah, it is done. Now let us create one class here. Class name is current, I want to say. The question is,
Okay.
what is the thread executed internally? After seeing this program, you have to answer that.
Hmm.
Class name, current thread executed, I want to know. That's why I'm naming the program as current with the main method. Okay, fine. Yes. Sir, next Monday, I may not be available. Next Monday, I'm going to Hyderabad, most probably.
Okay.
My family
Okay.
members.
Hmm.
So don't worry, my son won't trouble you. we are sitting in a
It's
separate.
okay.
We are sitting in a separate room.
Okay.
This time it is not an issue. That's why from tomorrow onwards I will go extra 15 minutes or something like that. Whenever possible,
Sure.
extend time, may go up to half an hour also, something like that, 1.5 hour, like that, somewhere around that
Okay.
I will go. Okay.
Sure.
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I told, let us follow those steps. Of course, I am not extending any thread class. I don't want to run anything in this program. Just I want to show you some methods, predefined methods. Okay, in this program.
Okay.
I'm not running any thread in this program. I mean to say start, run. I'm not doing that business.
Hmm.
If you are using
Okay.
start and run methods, then obviously you have to extend thread class or
Hmm.
implement runnable interface, isn't it?
Right.
But I'm not
Yes.
doing both. Just I want to create one thread class. That's it. Yeah, thread is a predefined class. Yes, you can create that. Thread T equals new. You can do like that, but there is one method I want to show you, a static method, thread dot current thread. I want to know the current thread. Na? This is the way.
Yeah.
So you can understand by that structure, you can understand current thread is a which method? Static or non-static?
Static.
Present in thread class. And it
Okay.
is referred by T. T is a reference.
Okay. Yes.
T is not an object. It is a reference holding. I mean, so
Current thread.
yeah. So this is actually called as factory method. This method of invocation is called as factory method. These are factory.
Okay.
Current thread is a factory method. Means nothing but you are doing simultaneously two jobs. You can understand here. You are doing two jobs simultaneously here, isn't it? See,
Hmm.
I can write like this, something like this. Current thread is a factory method. Is a factory method, and we are able to do a couple of things here. I can tell you. Wait, where is the cursor? Still there? Oh, comment I have not added here. Fine. It is a factory method. So by creating a factory method and by writing that kind of code, you are able to do a couple of tasks here.
Okay.
We are able to invoke, point number one, we are able to invoke static method.
Mm-hmm.
And then you are able to create an object also.
Right.
and create an object also referred by T.
Okay.
Referred by T. Yes. So these are the possible things happening with a single statement. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me see what is there inside that T. I want to see what is there in that T. Very simple. You can understand.
Right.
UT,
Yeah.
UT,
Right.
that's it. T will be opened, you can understand.
Yes.
That's it. Then I want to know the name of that. There is one method called as get name. Get name. Very easy to remember also. I want
Right.
to know the name of that thread currently running inside. Okay. T means all the
Okay.
features will come. How it comes,
Yes.
I will discuss. The shape of that I will discuss. Different issues will come along with that T. See that we will explore into that area. I mean, thread priority will come and thread name will come and so many other things will come. We will see that. Here, T dot get name. Get name.
Okay.
Get name. That's it. You can understand the name also by that statement. But I don't want to see if I execute this program, some name will be displayed. I will show you up to here, but I will do some modifications also to this application.
Okay.
Let's run this application first of all. Yeah. See, first statement. So first step you understood. I have created an
Right.
object and of course current thread, a static method I invoked and everything. That object is referred by T. Okay, fine.
T.
Now T means what? T means what? See this line. This line. I have to speak something about this line.
Okay.
So what is that? Thread features. What are the thread features? Three parts you can see now inside. One is
Yes.
main. One is main. And then next is 5. 5 is nothing but, you know, priority. I told already one time. It is a
Oh,
priority.
yes. Yes.
Main thread will be having
Priority of 5.
when you are saying, oh, oh, it seems some years happened.
No, no, no. I had forgotten.
just couple of days before we met.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. And seeing that expression, I can see that kind of expression in many students. Even even after 1 hour, they can express like that. Immediately, somebody can get a feeling that just 1 hour before I
Yeah.
told. Yeah. 5.
Actually, it's because after
Yes,
every
no
class I
problem.
practice.
Yeah.
This time I had my birthday
I
and I
can
had,
understand. I can understand.
yeah.
That's why I sent you notes also, very valuable notes on
Yes.
your birthday, you know, 17 pages notes.
Right. Yeah.
That is very important for you. Yeah.
Yes.
So that is exception handling, of course. Okay, fine. No problem. Priority. That is priority. Okay, please remember 5 is the
Sure.
priority for main thread. Main thread will
Right.
be also always having a priority of main thread.
5.
Yes.
Okay.
Main thread. Okay, fine. Next, another main is there. So what are these things? What are these things? So one main is group to which it belongs to. One main is its name. This is the name. First one is the name of the thread. Okay.
Okay.
Name of the thread. And the last one is the group to which it belongs. Main thread belongs to main group. That's it. Main thread belongs to main group.
Main group.
We have to remember that. Group to which main thread
It belongs.
Main thread belongs. Yes. So these are the points. Group to which main thread belongs.
Okay.
So that is the first one. And what is the second one? You can understand. Get name. So what is the name of that thread which we have created just now?
Main.
Main. So what is the thread currently? What is the thread executed internally in this program? In this program, what is the thread executed internally? That is the question. What is the answer?
Main thread.
Main thread, yes. But I don't want to name it as main. I want to change the name of that. Okay. Yes, you can change the name also. Wait. T dot set name is the method which you can use to
Okay.
change the name of the thread.
Thread. Okay.
Set name, yes. Set name. Shall I write anything before that? Like I will do one thing. Name is changed. I will write here. Otherwise, you can understand. No?
Okay.
Not here. Here. Name of the thread is changed. Changed. Yes, concatenate. That's it. T dot set name. It is a non-static method and also a parameterized one. You can pass some
Okay.
name. You can give any name like Java. I am giving thread name. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Or you can give any name also. Otherwise, I can give some human being's name, Ram or something like that. You can give. Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Fine. But it is showing mistake. Is it not the way? The operator plus is undefined. Why? Y plus is undefined. The operator plus is undefined for the argument type string dot void string dot name. I don't know why it is showing like that. What happened here? Any mistake? No, I went correctly. I don't know why it is showing mistake here. T dot set a name. I had it. Fine. Okay, we'll see. We'll see later on. Okay. I think it is not supposed to be written like that. Wait, I will do another. I will follow another technique. Wait. Yes. Now it is saying okay, na?
Yeah.
It got removed and again immediately.
There is an extra
Extra
bracket there. Yeah.
Then why it is removed, I don't know. All of a sudden it is removed. Yeah, that's it. T dot set name. Don't concatenate that with SOPL. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I forgot that. Okay, fine. So now its name, the changed name, I want to see. Now I can write. That's where I went wrong. Yeah. So changed name. We will see whether it is changed or not. I want to check changed name. How to get? I can say T dot get name one more time.
Yeah.
Or otherwise T.
Okay.
T also will come. Fine. T means
Yes.
features will come now. Yeah. T dot get name. Name of the thread you can change, but group you cannot change. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Now done. That is also done. But what is the priority? I want to get the priority separately. I can understand here, but I want to show it separately. Get priority. There is one method full of methods.
Okay.
Many methods like that. Full of methods. And moreover, you can easily remember if you are in touch with that subject for a period of over a period of time, you can easily remember those methods.
Okay.
Of course, if you get a gap of a couple of months, then a few days are required for you to adjust again.
Right.
Because just I came to understand after a couple of years, I am telling Java again. That's why it is taking time.
Right.
So to remember. Yeah. System dot T dot get name is done. Now I want to change the priority. Main threads priority. I will display one message like this. Main threads priority is equal to T dot get priority. How simple the methods are.
Yeah.
ORI. Just simple English only.
Yeah.
And one more closing. Oh, I gone out.
Yeah.
I was gone out away from this. That's why. That's what I'm looking. Where is that bracket? Yeah. Yes. Done. Fine. But still one mistake.
Get name error is there.
Get name. What happened?
We have missed T there, sir. GET.
Yes. Small letters. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. compile time error, that is right.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Yes.
Totally done. Program is done. So braces, everything okay. Fine. Yeah. Wait. These unnecessary things I will remove. This unnecessary thing. Yes. Now let me save this and run the program. It didn't happen. Wait. Yeah. See that? Name is changed.
Yeah.
Ram. And I want to
Right.
see one more time this. I want to write this SOPLT is there. This I want to see whether there also it is changed or not. See the parameters where it is changing. Group or name. Two things are there now. Group
Right.
name. Previously group name is main. Thread name is also main. And main thread belongs
Right.
to which group? Main thread belongs to main group.
Main group. Yes.
Group name is also main. But I changed thread name. Now we can see. Yes. Got it? What is the first parameter?
Right.
Ram. Ram is the name of the thread.
Name.
Of course, its original
Right.
name is main. We have changed that. And the priority is 5. And it belongs to, and that Ram belongs to main. Main thread.
Main. Yes.
That's how. This is your first thread application. Now I will add some methods like run and all these things. So whenever you want to go with run and all these things, you have to go with, you have to go with what? Extends thread.
Extends or runnable.
Or implements runnable. Both will work fine. We'll go with the next application. In the beginning, programs will be like that, but once maybe tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, we are getting into big applications. It is very interesting. Just like your bank application or car application, some nice applications you can design here also.
Okay.
Now I want to name that as my thread is done already. Current is done. My thread is not done.
Yeah, it's not done.
My thread class my thread, and I will go with thread demo because 2 classes. I want to go with a couple of classes. My thread is my own class that is going to extend thread class, and main method is present in thread demo. Okay. Like
okay.
Yes. Okay. Now let me go from the top. Yes, here I will add class my thread. Class my thread. Wait. Class my thread extends thread. First I will go with extends thread. Then same application you can try with implements also.
Okay.
And inside that, I told now, in your own class you can write public void run. You can see those steps which I have written earlier. Write a class that extends thread. Okay, I have gone with that option.
Right.
And then inside that,
public void run.
Public void run. Yes, that is the step. Just I'm following those lines only. Public void run.
Okay.
Yes. So inside run, whether you put code or doesn't put, no matter, but I am just putting a one for loop. You can check for loop.
Okay.
I equals 0, I is less than or equal to, I want to restrict that to 50 times. 50 times it will be restricted, and I plus plus. Yes. Now you can display any message inside. Yes, you can display anything you can display inside. I will display like this is my thread class, right?
Right.
I want to repeat this my thread so many times. My thread. How do you repeat that? Please tell me. What shall I write here to repeat? My thread 0. my thread 1, my thread 2, like that. I,
Yes.
that's it. And inside
Okay.
main method, little story, already. What is that?
Hmm.
Creating an object to my thread.
Right.
My thread, let us say m is equal to new my thread. Okay, fine. And then what to do? I'll do one thing. Otherwise, this also works, but I will try with another one. Let me check later on. Another alternative is also there. I will check that later on. And another 3 options are there. This also will work.
Okay.
I will check one by one and show you.
Sure.
Thread. What happened is in the room in which I am teaching right now, bulb is not functioning. Bulb is not functioning. Actually, owner has to purchase that, and in the main hall, one bulb is there. I am using that. Night,
Okay.
I couldn't see
Yeah.
properly. Keyboard, I couldn't see properly. That's why I'm
Okay.
going a
Okay.
little bit slow.
Yeah.
Yesterday, it smashed really. A couple of days before. Not yesterday.
Okay.
3-4 days back, some short circuit happened, I think.
Oh, wow.
Morning, I
Okay.
told him he has to purchase that. That's why I'm waiting.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. No issue. Thread T. Okay. Thread T is equal to, where is that? Is equal to new thread. New thread. This is also okay. Otherwise, another option is also there. I want to go with that option in this program. That is, these things you can try otherwise, or otherwise I will show you. Don't worry.
Sure.
Thread T1. Thread T1 is equal to new. This is another style of doing that. My thread. Just a couple of minutes before, I have introduced this third variety, factory method.
Okay.
I mean,
yeah.
Yeah. So an object is created now here.
Right.
This object, and it is referred by T1.
T1. Yes.
So your class object only, this one, my thread.
Hmm.
Programmer's own class.
Right.
Okay, and it is referred by
Okay.
T1. Yes.
Yeah.
This is another style. You can create multiple things like this. Otherwise, I will go with 2 more classes like this. I will copy the statement otherwise. Wait. Multiple times I want to do this. Yes. 3 times I have done, but I just want to change the object name. See, it is showing compile time error. Huh?
Right.
Gone? Compile time error gone?
Yeah.
Now here also? Yes. Gone?
Right.
Right.
Yes.
3 different objects I have created. And 3 different names I want to set. How do you set? Tell me first.
Set name.
Set thread. Set name. Yeah.
Thread.
Sorry. Thread name.
Oh, it's name only. Okay.
Set is correct. Set name. Set name. Okay, fine. Within bracket, you can give any name. Oh, sorry.
Right.
Within bracket, you can give some name. So I can give Ram. First one. Next one, I will copy. Otherwise, I will type Maori. T2 dot set name. Set name. Because. Okay, fine. Done. Next, another thread is another. Thread object is there, no? T3. T3 dot
yes.
set name. Set name. Let me give here. Why is double? These things will come. Only one is coming whenever I am typing. Generally, double quotes will come twice now.
Right.
But here only one is coming. Okay, fine, no problem. Arjun. Okay, fine. Yes, I have to give. It is not coming. Yes, right. Okay, 3 names I have given. Fine. Now I want to set priorities also. My own priorities.
Okay.
For that set priority, get priority.
Priority.
Just like get
Yes.
set priority is also there.
Okay.
Even dots.
Yeah.
Get set. Getters, setters. Almost all whenever
Right.
getters are there, setters will be also there. See how easy the
Okay.
method. Get name is there.
Yes.
Get name. Set name is also there.
Yes.
Similarly, get priority is there. We have seen in the previous application.
Right.
Set priority is also there. Yes, you can set your own priorities. Set priority. Yeah, set priority. You can set your own priority, but a little technique we should know that. Some fields are there, predefined static variables are there. Fields are known as static variables. I told in the first couple of classes, first couple of application classes, I think.
Right.
Remember?
Yeah.
Generally, static variables are known as fields in Java.
Right.
And moreover, final also. Here, some final variables I want to write. And moreover, predefined final variables. They are, wait, I will write here. Let me write in notepad, you can understand. There are 3 predefined final variables are there. Final variables. Generally, final variables will be in capital letters. I told now.
Yes.
That property program we have done, father, mother, in interface.
Right. Yes.
Height 1, HT1, prop 1.
Yeah.
I have written in capital letters. Of course,
Yeah.
they are user defined. I can go with small letters also. But these are predefined final variables. Should be always capital only. One is max priority is there. Max underscore. As it is, you have to write. You have to remember that. Sorry, underscore.
Okay.
Max underscore. Yes. Max priority. Like that. You are min priority and norm.
Okay.
Max, min, and norm priority. We will see through program. I will show you. Max priority is 10 actually. Min priority is 1, I guess. Let me check the program because couple of things happened. I think it is 1. Let me check just out of 1. And the norm priority is 5. Middle one. Middle one.
Right.
That main thread will be having always 5. That is norm priority. It is always having norm priority. So I am telling you all these are static and final variables. Okay.
Okay.
Static and final.
Final.
So static variables means immediately one question should arise in your mind. What is that? To which class these variables belong to?
Right.
Yes, thread class. They all belong to thread class.
Okay.
They all belong to thread class. Above all, belong to thread class. Thread class. Then you can get the full shape. How do you invoke that? Now tell me. If I want to invoke max priority, what to do?
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Similarly, others also. Thread dot min priority.
Right.
Similarly, thread
dot norm priority.
Norm priority. Yes. And this thing you have to put under. See, for example, I want to set max priority for the T1 thread. Copy. Where is that? Here. Wait. Got it?
Right. Yes. Okay.
Like that. Next one. I will copy this statement only. What are the changes? T2.
T2 and norm.
Min priority. I want to set this as.
Okay.
Obviously, it is going to be
in
shift. Yeah. Yes. min priority. And then third one, object name
T3.
T3. I want to set a norm priority, this one. Yes, done. So
Yes.
priority is also set. Now I want to get their names and get their priorities. What to do?
Okay.
No.
Get name and
Can I
get
give it
priority.
system.out.print? Yes, I can give. Setting you cannot do. Please remember, I have done that
Right.
here.
Sure.
Before that, when I was in top form, I never committed that mistake. Now I am coming back
Hmm.
to form. Yeah, it is a mistake which I committed. Huh? Committing
Okay.
mistakes is
Yeah.
also good at this time, you know, because
Right.
whenever I
Yes.
committed a mistake, you can understand. Oh, I cannot. I should not do this.
True.
Yes, that is good. If we don't do mistake, we never learn, isn't it?
Very true. Yes.
Yeah. So the rise and fall always depend upon the kind of mistakes we do, isn't it?
Right. Yes.
Any field. Yes. Get name. Same code, copy, paste for T2, T3. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. T2 this time. Done. One more. T3. Done. Now set priority
Get
is here.
priority.
Get priority. Yeah. T1 dot
Get priority.
get priority. Okay, fine. Copy paste again this one. Oh my god. Control C. Came. Yeah. T2. This is T2. Okay, fine. After your class, another class is there today. Sunday is
Oh.
gone. For me, Sunday is also gone this time. I have to answer.
Yeah.
And moreover, I'm not feeling well, you know, from the past couple of days.
Okay.
Some
Is it fever or?
yeah, something like I shifted now house.
Right.
That frizz is there in the frizz. I mean, it is uncleaned. I did not
Okay.
use
Okay.
for a week or so,
Okay.
and some fungus happened inside that.
Oh. Okay.
And all of a sudden, I never noticed it that inside.
Hmm.
And I kept vessels and milk and all these things. And unfortunately, what happened, you know, whenever I
Oh,
kept
you consumed it.
milk, yeah, milk, curd, whatever I kept,
Oh. Okay.
consumed that. The taste is a bit different. I couldn't notice that.
Hmm.
And really, I got worse all of a sudden. Little bit fever is there, headache,
Okay.
tremendous headache, body pains, whatnot.
Okay.
And
Oh,
today,
I can only imagine.
it is always headache means whenever we take that fungus food or something like that,
Hmm.
even bread, whatnot, everything I kept inside and I consumed.
Hmm.
Now I noticed and I have thrown away all those things in fridge and cleaned it. 1.5 day is gone for that.
Okay.
Now it is okay. Things are getting well.
Hmm.
Yes, yes. At times it will happen.
Yeah.
We are doing these many big programs, but small things we are unable to notice. That's it. That is why. That is,
Yes.
we think that we are great, but so many other things
Right.
which we miss. Yes. Now I want to see the shape of T.
Okay.
I will just write T. Okay. T. Let me see what is. I mean T. T is not there. T1 is there, right?
T1. Yeah.
And then I want to start T1. Got it?
Yeah.
I thought of cutting this program, but I am keeping on going if you don't mind.
Sure.
Because anyways, I have gone with run method. I have gone. I have to go with this.
Yes.
T1 dot start. T1 dot start. Okay, fine. T1 dot start. Oh, it went here. Wait. Yes. and then T2 dot start. All the methods I am starting one after another.
Right.
Okay. T2 dot start. You try with the remaining options. I made comments.
Sure.
I made comments. You just remove those comments.
Yeah.
Right. They will also work. And then T3 is there.
Yes.
T3 dot start. Yes. Now, okay, fine. That's it. This is the problem. If you want, you can here also you can put for loop. I'm not adding. You try with the for loop here. Try with the for loop here. If you can take a pic, you can do later on. Try with a.
Sure.
The difference between this for loop and that for loop I will discuss in the next class. Try with a for loop here. Same for loop. Copy paste.
Sure.
But don't write my thread. Write main thread. You are inside main now.
Yes.
That's why don't write my thread, main thread. There, my thread is there. Can you observe here? My thread is there.
Yes.
Same code, copy and paste for loop. Don't write run again.
Okay.
Just write this for loop. I will write, wait. I will copy here. Anyways, I went there. I will copy here itself. Wait. Yes. But this is not my thread. This is main thread. Okay.
Okay.
Main thread. Fine. That's it. Main thread colon. I'll get that also. Done. Shall I run? I will run. See how many things we'll get in this application. I have to extend this. You cannot see otherwise. I'll do one thing. I'll copy this entire code. A very big one, because 50 times you iterated now.
Yes.
That's why it's going to be a very big job. I'll do all this here. Yes. Now I can move this. See. This is your code. First, RAM. I named them now,
right,
and I got back.
Yes.
Set get. For getter, you got like this. RAM, Vikas, Arjun. And for getter priority, get priority, get name. For get name, you got Ram, Vikas, Arjun. For get priority,
right.
see, what is the max priority? 10.
10.
What is the min priority? 1. 1 is correct.
1.
Not 0.
Right. Yes.
Don't get confused. It runs from 1
sure.
to 10. It's an interview question because, of course, I forgot a little bit because I am dependent on that output. So 1 is because I am not going to attend for interview. So 1 is min priority, 10 is max priority, and 5 is the norm priority.
Okay.
And you can see here, name is changed to Ram. T1 name changed, na? Yeah, you got it. Whenever I say T, you got Ram. That's it. And then main thread. So first thread which is running, see?
Main thread.
Whenever you do same thing, you will be having. Let me run one more time. I will copy this also. And let you see in another notepad. I'll open another notepad. You can compare the results. Because it is unpredictable which thread is getting run first time, but main thread for sure main thread will be there. See, again main thread
right.
0, 1, 2.
Yes.
Isn't it? 3 times.
Yeah.
But in the previous one, wait.
But before main thread here, my thread was there.
Where?
In the previous one.
Previous one? No.
Here, my thread 0.
Okay. My thread 0 is there. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
0. Because it is just like a race. We cannot decide.
Right. Yeah.
We cannot decide. Let operating system decide that.
Right.
Let my thread 0 came. Normal cases, I will do one more time. Majority cases, main will get executed.
Yes.
Fine. So it is dependent. Okay. Control C. Wait. This time, let me check. This time my thread went first.
Right.
My thread ran first. Then comes in between somewhere main thread got its presence.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, my thread is way ahead. But ultimately, who won the battle? Let us see. Of course, we cannot predict. It is unpredictable.
Yes.
Main thread won the battle.
Right.
So my thread stopped there because I have given less than 50. Na? Yes. My thread went a long race, but main thread finished earlier. Got it?
Yes.
In the other program, main thread got first, but who finished first? Here also main thread finished first. You run couple of times.
Main thread, yes.
You can see like that. Unpredictable answers you can see.
Sure.
So who will decide this? Operating system will decide. It is not in our hands. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So that is about this application. So whenever you start method, control transfers to run.
Run.
Run will do the job. And for main thread, you need not run. Automatically, it is there inside the main. This code will
Yes.
you need not write again public void run. It will run anyways.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Shall I close the session with this for today? Tomorrow afternoon.
Sure, sir.
Possibly at 3.
Okay.
You can expect somewhere around 3.
Sure.
Or even 2 or 3, somewhere around.
Okay.
This I'm closing the
Yeah.
session. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir. Thank you.